The overall goal of the following experiment is to examine how quickly children and adults detect threatening versus non-threatening stimuli. This is achieved by presenting participants with different-sized matrices of various images. Some of the matrices will have a threatening target among neutral distractors, and others will have a non-threatening target. Participants will be told to find the target as quickly as possible and touch it on the screen. The results generally show that latencies to detect threatening targets are shorter than latencies to detect non-threatening targets in both children and adults.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods, such as the classic adult visual search procedure, is that it could be used with adults as well as with children as young as age 3.
The first step is to select photographs belonging to the same category. Choose the number of stimuli that best fit the experimental question. To study the detection of social threats, use schematic drawings or photographs of angry faces, such as the adult angry faces found in the NIMSTIM face set. Alternatively, use fearful faces. To study the detection of social threats in children, use adult face stimuli, such as the ones described above, or use photographs of child angry faces, such as those in the child affective facial expression set. To study the detection of threatening animals, such as snakes and spiders, use photographs of animals from nature books or websites. Next, choose a category of neutral comparison stimuli that is well matched to the threatening category. If studying threatening faces, use neutral